Hi, welcome to my video, and in this video we'll be having a look at how we can use the upload functionality of AwwApp. And using the upload functionality, you can upload any picture or any like PowerPoint presentation or any PDF file, and you can work with that on the screen. So I'm going to upload an image and show to you how you can use that function. So first of all, let's click on this plus button here from the side panel of your screen, and you'll see different options to upload like different types of files. And I'm uploading an image, so I'll select upload image, and then it will redirect you to like your computer screen, and you need to select the folder from which you are uploading your file. And I will be uploading a question here. So when you upload it, you can resize it by dragging it, or like you can even rotate it freely. And when you finish resizing it and like drag it to the place you want to put in, you need to click on place image, and now it's here. So that's how it works. And you can use the same procedure to upload a PDF or Word document or PowerPoint presentation. And now you can write on this paper, on this like image or anything like that. So yeah, that's really useful. So thank you very much.